Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today is movie day. Time to go see the Avengers. All right, you all, let's go ahead. Let's kick this watch face review off. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we got a watch face to take a look at by CM Design. And CM Design always gets down on some watch faces. This one here is no exception. If you have never checked out his lineup, go to the Gear Manager store and check it out. Now, the name of the watch face is called Rift. I'm liking this watch face. In the door, this is an awesome look. If I had 4 thumbs, I'd give him 4 thumbs up, but right now I'm going to give him 2 thumbs up for a unique watch face. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look for the most part. You'll be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. When the watch face is on, here's where the uniqueness starts to show itself, right? Now, up at the top, you're going to get your battery info, right? Down at the bottom, you're going to get your step goal completed. If you look at mine, it says low activity, right? Don't judge me. You know, today is my off day. You got a moon phase right there, which I thought was awesome, and it looks real. I love the placement of where he put it at. Not a bad place at all. Over here, you're going to get your heart rate. Over there, you're going to get your battery percentage. But what I like about the watch face most of all, you got the lightning strikes that's going on throughout the watch face. But what really hits me is if you look in the background, you got some animation going on, like there's fire sparks flying throughout the display. I thought that was real creative from TM Design. I thought he did an awesome job with that. And you also get shortcuts around the bezel of the watch. I'm talking about plenty of them, and they are interactive. So if you need to go in and play your music, you want to make a phone call, go into your settings, you can check your emails and text messages. You can also find your phone. So this watch face makes it super convenient for you to get to all the important things in one place. Also, yes, you can go in and check your heart rate out. It's no problem. I thought CM Design did an awesome job with this. I like the analog digital look of this watch face as well. The digital time is in the background. The uniqueness of the hands really adds some character to the watch face. Overall, CM Design got down on this watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it. Make sure you hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face, if you're going to go download this watch face. And with that, if you like the video, hit the like button. And if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.